Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make a playlist on YouTube. Because right now when we are here at content and we click on playlist, you see that there's no option to create a playlist. So I will show you exactly what you need to do to create a playlist. Alright, first of all, we go back to the YouTube page because we need to find a video that we want to add in our playlist. So let's see this video, download and install Hulu app. So right now we are here on this video, and from here we want to click here on save. Then if you can see just right here is standing new playlist, and if you click now on new playlist, we can give this playlist a title. So let's give this playlist the title Test 1. Now, we can decide if we want our visibility on private, unlisted or public. Let's say we want it on private. Now you can also collaborate with someone else, but for now that's not important. And if you now click on create, we just created a playlist. And if you now go back to our creator studio and then we go to content, from here we go to playlist. You can find here the playlist test 1. So this is the only way how you can create a playlist on YouTube PC. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.